boys and girls. So I hope you had time to do the daily math review, and now we're gonna go over and so that you can self-assess your own work. Okay, as we're self-assessing, make sure you give yourself checks for the questions that you got correct. And if you didn't get it correct, make sure you fix it so that you will know what to do next time. All right, so let's get started. For the first box, okay, it says, how many more to make 10? So let's take a look at the tens frame. How many bees are in the tens frame here? Right, there's 4. So how many more do I need to make 10? Right, 6 more. So 6. But that's not all. We still have to write the equation here. So how many bees did I start with? Right, 4. And how many more to make 10? Right, 6. So the equation is 4 plus 6 equals 10. Did you get it? If you did, make sure you give yourself a check. Great, let's move on to the next box. Okay, it says complete the number bond. I have a 5 and a 2 in the parts. I am missing the whole. So, if I have 5 and 2 in the parts, what goes in the whole? Right, 7. Because 5 and 2 make 7. Did you get it? Give yourself a check if you did. All right, so let's take a look at the next box. If 1 long stick equals 10, we need to solve. Okay, here we see there's a long stick and some 1's cubes. Okay, so I know that this long stick equals 10. Plus, how many of those little 1's cubes do I have? 1, 2, 3. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. Did you get it? Give yourself a check if you did. All right, we're going to move on to the mental math. I'm going to say some questions, and you're going to follow along and solve them as we go. Ready? Okay, so for number 1, 1 less than 7. 1 less than 7 is 6. Did you get it? Make sure you give yourself a check if you did. Number 2, 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Did you get it? Make sure you give yourself a check. Okay, and then for number 3, 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Very good. Make sure you give yourself a check if you got it. If not, make sure you go back and check your work. Great job self-assessing your work, guys.